Hey guys, welcome to my scrappiness.
Hey guys, this is Marissa. How are you all? I hope you are all doing well. Um, I have a couple of friends actually, who had asked me to show some easy Halloween candy treat holders. So, in the next three videos, before the Halloween comes, because as you know, Halloween's around the corner, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an easy treat holder. For the projects, I will be using the Simple Stories Simple set, and this is the Happy Halloween set. And this is actually on my Facebook group in Scrapbooks Hawaii. So if you haven't joined that yet, please do. And by the way, if you're a first-time viewer, hello. I hope you'll enjoy this. Again, this is a very easy project. And you don't necessarily have to have scrapbook products, but if you do, then that'll be most helpful. However, for the paper, you could actually use a Halloween type wrapping paper or any other kind of paper that you can find, or even an 8.5 by 11 cardstock for this project. And then you'll probably need some Halloween stickers, and which by the way, this kit has some Halloween stickers for some decorations. You will need some twine or anything that you can tie the ribbon with. And then you will need an adhesive. I will use this because I will need something tackier than my normal regular adhesives, or you can also use wet glue or Elmer's glue. Let me show you what I'm going to do here. And by the way, you'll also need some candies. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you this kit real quick. The front page actually has the papers, so what the papers look like. It'll have two of each, and it's front and back. And then of course I've already shown you the sticker too. And here's the sticker. So I'll put that on the side. Here's the papers. This is the front side, and it comes in two. So for this project, we are going to use this paper, and then a sticker, and also a scrap orange paper. And this is a cardstock actually. So let me get going. So I'm going to cut this paper down to 4 1/4 by 5.5. So if this was an 8.5 by 11, you would have cut this into 4 strips. So you'll have four of this that you will use. And this is 4 1/4 by 5.5. So the first thing you're going to do is to put adhesive on one side. So that's what I'm going to do here to make it easy. So I'll put the adhesive over there. And this is a 1/4 inch. So what I'm going to do is double it up because, there's going to be resistance on the paper. And you will see this as we work it. So if you have a 1/2 inch, this is a 1/4 inch adhesive, a double-sided adhesive, use that. Or you can also use, like I had told you, a wet glue or Elmer's glue. But if it's wet glue, you'll have to be patient with it, to wait for it to dry. So you're basically going to make a tube out of this. So you're going to try to marry this up about 1/2 inch. Yeah. Okay guys, as I make this tube, you will see, some of you will look at this and go, oh, that's an empty toilet paper roll. And yes, you can use an empty toilet paper roll with this project. Okay, so thankfully this doesn't show where, you can't hardly tell where the seam is, but I can tell because obviously I put it together. So now that you have the roll or the tube, you try to get the seam, see where the seam is, and put it in the middle. And then you just make a crimp. You crimp the top, okay? And I used to teach this when I used to have the store, and people love it because it's so easy to make. And so do you see what I'm trying to do now here? So now you can go put inside. You get your adhesive again, take the length, and then cut, put it carefully inside. I would put 1/2 inch in there too, because again, it goes back to we're trying to make sure that your goodies don't fall out, right? So you would do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this inside. You could have also put this in before you made the tube, and then you have to reinforce it with a second one. You put another 2 in the other end. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do, of course, is to take the adhesive. If you have a crimper, this is the best time to crimp. But I don't have a crimper, and I'm fine with this as it is. So at this point, don't take the adhesive off at the top yet. Put your candies in, and then you close it up. There you go. At this point, it's up to you what you want to do with this. So at this point, I'm going to use this bat for the decoration. I'm going to go ahead and put it over here. So this sponge is about 1.5 inches. So I'm going to go ahead and punch our bat out. And then put it in front over here. If you want to do a foam dot on it, that's okay too. But it's not necessary. I'm just going to use this double-sided tape. There you go. And I'm going to put a cute ribbon on top using the twine. I'll just make a ribbon. I forgot to tell you, you have to have glue dots. If you don't have glue dots, you could still use the adhesive or use a glue guns. You can adhere your ribbon, your twine ribbon, onto the project. I'm just putting it up there. And there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this. It's very easy. I'm sure there's a lot of other tutorials out there showing you how to create this simple treat holder. You can give it out to your office mates, to your children's classes. Very easy. You saw how fast I was able to finish it. If you have any questions or comments, please make them in the comment section below. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell button to be notified of my new uploads. So, happy Halloween, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.